So 6 foot by 6 foot.
Yeah.
And it was reopened a few days ago in a ceremony, wasn't it?
We had the official opening of it to sort of celebrate what we've done. It was done on Tuesday, yeah.
Oh, last Tuesday.
Yeah.
So why has it been refurbished now as opposed to last year or next year, for example?
No real reason, just that's because we wanted to do it.
Because you wanted to do it, that's a good reason.
We did have the aim to try and get it open before D-Day, to be fair.
Oh yeah, of course.
That was part of the plan, but its main idea is to use it as an educational asset.
Okay. Wow, well I will have a look inside if that's alright. I'm just going to have a quick look at this. So we are there roughly. Called a pillbox because they look like boxes you keep pills in, fair enough. Right, so let's have an actual look inside. Ooh. And like the man said, mind your head. So he said that originally this was concreted off, but they've put some metal panels in, and that it was flooded with 9 inches of water, but they've obviously taken that out and it's not leaking anymore, it's pretty waterproof, and they're trialling a kind of waterproof cream. So this is Ferring Pillbox from the inside, and by having it opened last Tuesday they have managed what they were hoping to manage, which was to have it open in time for D-Day. The chap who opened the bunker told me that a man, probably born in the 1940s, had said to him recently that the restoring of Ferring Pillbox was a grotesque glorification of war, or words to that effect. I have never been involved in a war, thank God, but I strongly suspect that most people who have taken part in armed conflict would never describe it as glorious and would think that that was the last thing that it was. So whilst I absolutely respect and would defend this individual's right to hold that opinion, it's not one that I can agree with. The easiest way not to repeat the mistakes of the past is to remember them.